Okay, so I've finished the build. Now I tested the charging of my solar panel today as well, and it charged it up nicely. See there, basically a good charge. It only charged it up to about 13.3 volts. I only gave it about an hour. It was already a full battery anyway, so didn't need much. So here's the whole unit. I've got it stuck on top there. You can see the output there. Just these thin wires here. And I've got them going into the negative, and then I've got the positive isolated with a diode, because I don't want the flyback to go into the controller. I want the flyback to go through these 5 LEDs and then straight into the positive. So I'm just going to tape that off in a minute, isolate everything, make sure nothing can short out. And right now you can see it's in standby. Turn it on, and the whole unit turns on. And instead of having just 5 before, now I've got 10 LEDs. So 5 are on the base and 5 are on the flyback. So this battery should still be seeing around 15-16 volts, if not more, flyback. And I tested it out on that battery there, and it was about 20 milliamps at this voltage. You can see the battery goes down a bit, but hopefully that should last for a lot of time, long time. And that's a lot of light. Turn it off, and there we go. Battery will bounce back a bit. So yeah, now I might think about taping this up like this or something, or to the back here. Yep, that might do. Or maybe just like that. Yep, so it's nice and contained. It's pretty easy to carry. I might put it in a clear box or something later on. As you can see, pick it up easily, move it any way you want. So that's it. Focus. There you go. Let's just turn it on again. Nice bright light. Alright. Thanks for watching.